Hi, and these comments are for a student who is completing a free writing practice test evaluation. So you're doing the integrated writing practice test that I'm offering right now about bears, and you organized your practice test right here. I'm looking at it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a quick grammar check. Let's see how you're doing with I don't know. Okay, I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, so I think the main thing, if you say first of all, you're going to need to say second of all, and then you'll say lastly, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't understand the use of 6 paragraphs here. You don't need 6 paragraphs. At the most, you need 4, right? So you need your introduction. Then you need your first body paragraph. You talk about reading point 1 with listening point 1. Then you have your second body paragraph, reading point 2 and listening point 2. And then finally, you conclude with reading point 3 and listening point 3. Now, I know it's tricky because I put more details in there than what you would see on the TOEFL exam. But the final detail is what victims should do in case of a bear attack. And the reading makes 3 suggestions within that last point. So I would take those 3 ideas and put them in that one body paragraph. So you'll say, lastly, the author in the reading passage suggests that victims do 3 things in case of a bear attack. First, they should run as fast as they can away from the bear. Second, they should climb a tree if possible. And finally, they should shoot the bear if it's attacking them. Then say, however, the speaker in the lecture disagrees with these 3 ideas, right? But that comprises the last body paragraph there. That would be my main suggestion there is try to avoid all of these short, choppy paragraphs. Typically a paragraph, it needs to be between 100 and 150 words. This paragraph is 49 words. This one is 54, which is not very good. This is a disaster. It's only 28 words, so don't do that, right? First of all, second of all, lastly. So you have your introduction, which is fine the way that you did it. I have no problems with that. Then you have body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and body paragraph 3. Now, having said that, I think that if you just organize your ideas a little bit better, I'm going to put you at 24 points out of 30. I think it's entirely possible because the TOEFL wouldn't have as many details as I included in the listening passage that you listened to, right? So I think you're probably pretty close to 24 points on it. You seem to have pretty good control over your sentence structure, your vocabulary, but you can improve how you're organizing your ideas a little bit better. And thank you for doing this practice test.